Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this beautiful Samsung M30s, which I ordered through online, and I got it within 3 days. So let's go and check what's inside. My variant is actually 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 512. The M30s is powered by Samsung's own processor, which is Exynos 611. So let's get inside this box and see what all we have. So let's check what all we got inside this, and obviously we have a phone. We have a SIM injection tool. We have some catalogs, a travel adapter which is fast charging, 15 watt, and a USB type C cable. And it's unfortunate that we don't have any headphone in this thing. It's quite disappointing. Okay, let's go and boot this baby up and see how it works. And I'm going to skip all these things and make this thing really fast.